So there's definitely a beach party going on here. Look at all the audience. Who is here? I see the drunk guy in his wheelchair. Yep. Then I think Hobo Bob will not be far away. No, there he is. Still wearing his graduation hat. And oh, would you look at that. The emo crew is also here, and they're the only ones not really having fun, I guess. That's sad, don't you think? And everybody, even the Coast Guard, is celebrating this party. What is that blue bubble over there? What do you know? It's a fireman. And he has a blue afro. That is something weird. I guess everyone has an equal opportunity to become a firefighter in Brixton. That's really cool. Oh, and even a little dog is at the party. There you have him. It really is something else. Someone with a turban. Really multicultural. Of course, someone should make it a selfie. Oh, and here's the classic lady. Yeah, definitely classic. Look at that face. Oh yeah. I can see her car standing in the back. And look at that stage. This is the stage of the band, the Mine Brickheads. As you can see, all kinds of Minecraft-like brickheads. And that is a whole lot of lighting. And that is a massive big speaker. You know? What do you know? A cat with a mohawk on the roof. That's really something else. So this is really some scary stuff. Look at them being chased by this snake type monster thing. So scared, so scared. And those are running. Whoa. Of course, as you can see, there are all kinds of monsters coming from the darkness in the ground. With purple flames, scary stuff, transparent spiders. The little kid is running towards the store while this snakehead guy is chasing him. And what is happening here? Well, another crocodile guy with a snake thing. And another hole. Would you look at that? That car is crashed. Whoa, that minifig is climbing with his bike up to the buildings. Scared for Hades. Coming from the underground. And there's someone crashed into the Parisian restaurant. And he fell out of his vehicle. What a madness. Definitely something fun to do while you are waiting for the Friends TV series Lego set. Oh, look at the old couple. Also really scared. Now, from all the different things to do when you're waiting for your Friends TV series Lego set, this is something which is almost the best one. Look at that policeman blocking off the street, because here we go. This is a climate change protest. Of course, climate change is also something which we know about in Brickstow, and as you can see, the press photographer is here. Emmett is here together with his colleague, and there's me, Jack Brick, Mr. Mayor, the pencil guy, and there's Dom with his girlfriend, and oh, they're in green, that's Kev. Hello. As you can see, almost the entire city of Brickstow came to protest. We should do something about climate change. Brickstow only has, I believe, 1 or 2 electric vehicles, and of course the bus, but that is not enough. Look at all the other kinds of vehicles. Of course the train is electric. So let's see who else is here. Hot dog guy, this little Joker dude. Oh, even the emo crew is here. And some old folk. The skaters from the skate park. I think everyone is here. Even a business guy and a racer. Wow. Even the Dodge Charger driver is here. And this creepy guy with his snake head. I don't know. This guy on his quad. I don't know. Should he be aware? More aware than he is now, because that thing doesn't look really electric. And people on bicycles. I should say this is definitely one of the best things you can do when you are waiting on the Lego set you really want. that is one massive backlog we've got here. Of course, to take you through it, here's the hospital set. It's the current one, and well, that ambulance is really neat, a lot better, and it's really filled out. And now we have a really little hospital over there in Brickberry Springs. So when we combine that with this one, we can close the back and it will keep his looks just the way it is now. So that would be really cool. And of course, well, backlog management is really important. As you can see, you should order your sets in the order you want to build them. Not all these sets featured in our haul videos though. This is Emmett's house. I don't believe we've showed this one in a haul video. And I think that also goes for the Speed Champion sets. This is the McLaren Senna, which is really cool. I know Dom would love to build that, and Kev I think too. This is another little cop car, and I'm in doubt if it's going to be a donor frame for just a mock to build, or that I'm actually going to build this in the police car that it is. Now of course this video is about waiting for the Friends TV series Lego set, which has a postponed delivery because I wasn't able to order quick enough to get one of the first batch. But a fun thing is, currently Lego.com is giving away to their VIP accounts this little hidden side set. It is the juice bar, and you can see here, this is the, oh, not focusing. This is how it looks when you get it into monster mode, as you might say. And here you can see just as a normal regular juice bar. And I think that would go really well in any city. So we're definitely going to build that one. Here's another Speed Champion car, it's the white Porsche. And of course, for those of you who watched our city updates, you might have seen that we also have the green one, which came in the bigger set. So this is a 1947 Porsche 911 Turbo 3.0, as the box mentioned, and of course it's a Forza Horizon 4 version. And it has a little window here, and I think that is the only difference with the green one, but we'll check that out later. And this one is really cool, I got it with a discount. Lots of minifigures, cool stuff. Well, let's not mess up with the order of the backlog. This one, everyone is talking about this one. Really cool. Coffee shop and such. Just to keep it short. The Chevrolet Camaro, which is also a Speed Champion of the current season, laying in stores right now. This is a really old one, or really old, well, a bit old. I believe it was from, I don't know, can I check this? Yeah, it's a set from 2016, so it's 3 years old, but it's not in stores anymore. It's retired, so that's really cool. Got that at the Lego event we were at a few weeks ago, as you guys may have seen. And we didn't have this one yet, the Forest Tractor. So that's also really cool, but to put it in order of the backlog. Something to do when you're waiting for your friend's Lego set. And now the fifth thing to do when you really don't have the Lego set yet that you want because your order is postponed. NoHardFeelingsLego.com. But anyway, the fifth thing to do is definitely, and this is kind of a spoiler, is definitely going to start a fresh layout. As you can see, this is Brickstow right up until that billboard over there, including this part. And there's Brickberry Springs, a bit of countryside and Brickberry Springs here. But we have this big black cabinet which is now filled with Lego stuff. And look, I already got my moving boxes ready. It says here, for the makers. We are definitely makers here in Brickstow. So here I have a couple of big boards. As you can see, they're really thick. And these three boards are going on top of that. They're cabinets with a little hack. So the length of the cabinet is almost 2 meters. And over the entire length there's going to be board. So you get almost 2 meters in length and almost 1.5 meter wide. So that should fit a whole lot of base plates. Now, of course, we're waiting for the arrival of our Friends TV series Lego set. And to kill the time, we decided, let's make this a bigger layout. So, if you want to see that layout, keep on watching, keep on bricking, and be very aware for updates from Brickstow. Now, I got a lot of stuff to pack and a lot of stuff to disattach, so leave me to it. You guys go check out some other cool Lego channels, and we'll see you again soon when our new layout is ready. Follow us on Instagram at JackBrickLegoCity, and don't forget, click on the bell if you want to get notifications for every new video. This is a public service announcement brought to you in part by Jack Brick. If you like our videos, subscribe and hit on that bell so you'll be sure you are not going to miss out on our next video. See you in Brickstow.